Treasure Island. And they got the restaurant, Gilly. It's like a country bar restaurant. And that's what it looks like.
The dance floor in Gilleys. Line dancing. Alright. Lots of awesome slot machines. Gilly's has nightly drink specials. Free line dancing lessons at 7 o'clock. Got your classic slot machines. Alright. Let's go check out the rest of the property. Got a whole video coming up on Gilly's Las Vegas, so make sure and subscribe to check that out. Gilly's trading post up ahead here. 2 for $30 shirts, or $20 each. Great souvenirs in there. You can see it has a lot of the pirate theming from back in the 90s. And all the Vegas hotels had their own theme. The mermaid design going on up here. Lots of fun slot machines everywhere. Little Shop of Horrors, one of our favorites. Siren's Cove shop. Cashier to cash in your tickets. A lobby store. A coffee shop.
Hey everybody, we're at Treasure Island Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. And this is the Uber rideshare lift area of where you get your ride.
So you're looking at right by the valet, right outside the coffee shop.
Yep, and it's right there.
Alright. When you walk into the valet, there's the bell desk for your luggage. Make the check-in. All the wonderful workers checking everybody in. And let's keep it moving. Okay, right past the lobby here on the right, you can have express check-in. You want to do the check-in yourself? Sirens of TI. That's where we're headed next.
Hi everybody, we're at the Treasure Island Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. And that's Senor Frogs. It's a restaurant. And it's inside Treasure Island.
For your Mexican food.
And see us.
If you're hungry for Mexican food, check it out. Comment below if we should go there on our next visit. We got outdoor seating and indoor seating. This is where they used to have the pirate show up until about 2013. They haven't restarted it back yet. We don't know if they ever will. Take a little bit of the outside of Treasure Island here. See the frog right there over the pirate ship. There he is. Comment below if you'd like to see the pirate show come back. Come on, TI. Senor Frogs. And the whole food court here is Popeyes and Asian Express. So if you want Popeyes or Hey We Asian, that is your whole food court. Got a CVS right on property, 24 hours a day. Slot machines everywhere. Monopoly, Walking Dead. A Big Chill Margarita Bar. Comment below your favorite slot machine. Right upstairs from Popeyes, the Avenger Station. Unfortunately, since the time of filming, the Avenger Station is now permanently closed. We tried a couple of times to go here, but they don't let you enter in the last hour of business before they close, and so we were unable to go inside. We never went to it. Comment below, did you go to the Avenger Station, and did you enjoy it there? From a woolly mammoth that was carved out of. Look at all the detail there. The Golden Circle Sportsbook over here. All your Sportsbook needs.
No more bets.
Oh, look at all that Raiders stuff. Krispy Kreme. Let's go find it. The TI gift shop. Molina's Yogurt Plus. Oh, not open now. No fair. $4 per scoop. Not today. Cars and cash giveaway. Circus Delay show. Oh, look at that detail up there. You guys like a good circus show? Comment down below your favorite. VIP. Starbucks right by the circus show here. Right up from the circus show in the seat, we've got Tram to the Mirage. Free transportation. Take you right over to the Mirage. Viva Vegas t-shirts 3 for $12. $1 car rental. Oh, Krispy Kreme. All sold out today. No fair. It's a self-park garage. Treasure Island's one of the few places where you can park for free still. Let's go check out the train. The Tram to the Mirage. That's where you would enter and go straight over to the Mirage for free. Quick screenshot of the hours here. 12 to 9. Sunday to Thursday. Friday and Saturday, 12 to 12. Let's keep it going. Go by the Mystere again here on the way out from Krispy Kreme's. Pizzeria. Pizza by the slice.
You guys any vouchers for show?
Oh, we're good. Thank you so much. Nice of the timeshare people to offer us a timeshare today. Lots of great slot machines everywhere. So go past the Sportsbook again on the way out here. Oh, look at that, the steakhouse on the way over here. Slot machines everywhere. Phil's Steakhouse. Comment below if we should try out Phil's Steakhouse next visit. Alright, they are not open now, so we'll check it out later. Vietnamese cuisine. Peek in to see the pool out there. Show you their menu real quick. Alright, let's keep it moving. center bar right in the middle of the slot machines in the casino here. The coffee shop. Chicken tenders. Nachos, avocado toast. Barbecue chicken wings. BLT. Just past Gilly's restaurant is the Margarita Bar. Just past Gilly's restaurant and the Margarita Bar is a Starbucks. We didn't stay at Treasure Island on this trip. Here's an example of what room rates will cost. It will vary depending on what dates your vacations are on. Treasure Island has a sale right now. Rooms starting at $44.95 per night depending on what days your vacations fall on. They also have a resort fee of $44.95 per night. They do have different specials where you can waive your resort fees or get a buy one, get one free when you purchase through their website. So make sure and check out their website for deals. Comment below, have you stayed at Treasure Island before?
Thanks everybody for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We love you and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. And thank you for...
Hold on.